Welcome here to another video. In our last class we were able to do this and we were able to come up with this design. We have two navigation link here. We have the how to do sorry, we have the home. So over here we have the to do, where the to do's will be listed, and then we have the where the form will be. Okay, without wasting much time, let's move on to that. Yeah, so we have that in the SLC pages and then the how to do. So please, if you want to join this class, I'll be pasting the link to the first video in the description below and also at the top. So just click on it and you get to follow us in this tutorial. So let's move on. So I'm going to be making use of the React fragment here. Let me increase this so you can see more. So I'm going to make use of the React fragment here, and then we have the main. So this main is going to have a class of wfull flex justify content center item center. Now you can check out the Tailwind CSS documentations for all of these class names. Like I said earlier in the first video, I won't be going into deep concept of Tailwind, just to help us have our designs out there. Okay, so we're having a form without the action. So we have label, and this will be for tags, and over we have enter tags. So we also have text, and then we say tags. So the HTML4, the value must be the same with the ID if you actually want it to work fine. So what I mean by that, when you click on the label, the input gets highlighted. That is the work of this HTML for this. So it's actually pointing to this input. All right, so let's style the label. Not much of styling. We'll just say text LG or text SL, and yeah, that is fine. So let's style the input. Let's start the input, and then we'll have P2 rounded LG ML3. Okay, cool. Then we'll have W96. Awesome. And then we'll have a border of 2. Cool. So we have this grayish border. So the next thing we'll also be looking at here is a button for submitting, and we're going to also be styling this. So it's going to be P2 ML3 BG Sky 500, and yeah, what else? Okay, the content we're going to say add tags. All right, the color we have to be white. So text white, and then rounded for the border radius. And let's add a little animation here. Say on hover, scale should be scale should be 1110, and on hover let's have a box shadow LG, and we're going to have transition, and then the duration of the transition is going to be 500. Cool. So this is what we have. On hover we have that nice effect. Okay, so we're able to complete these tasks. We have the to do here, and then we have the how to do. So just very simple video we have here. So in our next video, we're going to be looking at how to make this very functional. So when we add some input here, go shopping and click on add tags, it should be able to save inside of the local storage. So we're going to be using the local storage as our database for this application. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you, and please, if you find this video useful, please give us a like and also comment and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.